I'm Samantha, and I'm the purchasing, planning, and lead at Penn Manufacturing. I've been in the manufacturing business for about 6 years now. My interest for manufacturing started when I got into architectural millwork and working as a purchaser for a previous company. There's a lot of aspects that I like about my work. Vendor relationships, trying to source and locate material, negotiating pricing is fun for me. Outside of work, I like to take adventures with my daughter, go to concerts and shows. The secret sauce at Penn is the teamwork. If you're starting out in the industry, I would say, just absorb and ask questions. You learn every day. I'm excited for the future with Penn, for the growth, and the continued members that are going to join.